Hello everyone, Oliver Grape here, Training and Show Manager for Hikvision, North UK. What I'm going to show you today is the latest additions to our Pro Series PTZ family, and this is our new smart linkage system. The model number for this one is the DS-2SE7C124IW-AE. Now, as I mentioned, this is a smart linkage system, meaning it's got a 4 megapixel panel view camera at the top, which means static onto a scene, and then underneath you've got a PTZ which you can independently control to zoom in up to 32 times to get more details of an area, whilst the panel view maintains static, therefore you don't lose any of the details of where anything else that's going on in the scene. Now, it also has our AcuSense technology in there, meaning it has false alarm reduction. That means that the events will only be triggered based off human and/or vehicle, depending on what you configure it as. In addition to those features as well, it also has the audio and white light out. So in the event of a line crossing being triggered or an intrusion detection, the camera can actually flash the white light onto the scene to actually warn off the offender, as well as the audio out, so you can select any of the pre-recorded phrase on there for it to automatically speak out when the event is triggered. So what we'll do, we'll pop open the box, we'll take a look inside and see exactly what we get. So let's take a look and see what we get inside. So we have a quick start guide. It comes with a pendant mount, your thread tape as well to make a waterproof seal where the thread goes around the pendant mount, Allen key, waterproof attachment for your cable, and then your self-amalgamating tape. And then finally, underneath, we have the actual PTZ itself. Now, as you can see, it's just one cable that you have in there, and off this one cable here, you've got your RJ45 port. We have your audio in cables and audio out, should you want to put them into there. We also have the alarm inputs on there as well, and alarm outputs, and a power supply should you want to put an independent power supply onto this camera. However, it will work off PoE, so in this situation, we're going to look at just the PoE side of things. So let's get this actually installed and see what it actually looks like. So here it is. I've currently got this mounted on a wall mount bracket at the moment. I've activated this one by giving it a password, giving it an IP address so it'll work on the network. And then what I've done, I've simply configured a simple line crossing around about here on the panel view camera. So when a human body, which is myself in a moment, triggers that line crossing, that should hopefully trigger the PTZ to follow me, as well as emit the white light out and the audio warning. So let's give that a go.
Attention please, the area is under surveillance.
As you can see, got the white light flashing, the PTZ is currently tracking me at the moment, and we also add the audio alert as well. So if I just walk back the other way, the PTZ is currently pointing at me. However, if I walk across back that way again, across where the actual panel view is, that should hopefully trigger again.
Attention please, the area is under surveillance.
So you can configure an array of different phrases that you want to speak out, including there's also a siren option as well. You can set the volume so you can actually have it quieter or louder should you wish. Likewise with the light, you can also set what the intensity of the flashing is, how bright the light actually is as well. In addition, you can also configure how long you want the tracking to go on for. Again, I only set mine for 5 seconds just for this demonstration purposes, but you could have it for longer should you wish. If you don't want to know anything further information about this device, about the smart linkage system here, please go to the link below or scan the QR code. Again, as always, speak to your distributor. They'll be able to provide you information on this device as well as the prices. Thank you.